Hello and welcome to math.marble. Today we're doing simplifying algebraic expressions in our algebra unit, and this is part 2 of the series. So let's get into it. Question 1. 5a over 3 plus 2a over 3. So again, here we're looking at algebraic fractions. So we're going to simplify them. We have the same denominator, so we can just add them, the a and the a together. So I'm going to put an equal sign. So I'm going to put a big 3 because our 3 is common denominator for both of them. So 5a then plus 2a. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and we just write the a beside it. So that means 7a over 3. So that's our answer for our simplifying question. So 5a over 3 plus 2a over 3 simplified is 7a over 3. So let's go to question 2. So question 2, 3x plus 2 over 5x. So 3x plus 2 over 5x, we add our x's together and we find a common denominator. So 3 is the same as saying 3 over 1. So we're going to make that 3 over 1 into a denominator of 5. So I'm going to put an equal sign, and we're going to take 5, we're going to write a big fraction line, and 5. So we're going to see what times 1 equals 5. So 1 times 5 equals 5. So we multiply this by 5 and our numerator by 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. So 15x plus 5 times, they're the same denominator. So we just write the 2. So 5x plus 2x over 5. So 15x plus 2x over 5. So 15 plus 2 equals 17. And we just write the x beside it, and then with our denominator of 5. So that's our answer for this question. Again, 17x, you can also write it as 17 over 5 and then the x beside the fraction line. It doesn't change its value. It's just the way it's written. It doesn't matter. And let's go to our next question. X plus 3 over 3 plus 2x minus 5 over 3. So here again we're doing algebraic fractions, and we're going to simplify them. So here we have the common denominator is 3. So we can just put it as a common denominator as a whole denominator. So x plus 3, we're going to rewrite that, x plus 3, then plus 2x minus 5. So here, what we do is we just add our x's and then put our numbers aside. And so that's exactly what we're going to do. So x plus 2x is 3x. And then plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So 3x minus 2, that's over 3. So that's it. For question 3, our answer is 3x minus 2 over 3. So let's move on to question 4. So question 4, 3x minus 2 over 3 minus 2x plus 1 over 4. So here in this question, we have different denominators. So we need to find a common denominator for both of these, 3 and 4, before we can solve our equation. So our common denominator for 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to write an equal sign, and I'm going to write big fraction line with 12. So here we're going to see what times 3 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. So we multiply this by 4. And our top numerator, which is 3x minus 2, both of them is our numerator. So we also multiply the whole part by 4. So we're going to write 4, and then we're going to write bracket 3x minus 2, which means we're multiplying 4 by both of them in our brackets. So then we're going to write minus, and then we're going to see what times 4 equals 12. Well, 4 times 3 equals 12, so I'm going to write multiply by 3. And our numerator, once again, we're going to multiply by 3. So I'm going to write minus 3, and then bracket 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 and bracket. So here we're going to multiply inside to break our brackets so we can solve our equation. So I'm going to write an equal sign, and then we're going to put 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then we just write down the x again. And then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, so I'm going to write negative 8. And then we're going to do this part. So negative 3 multiplied by 2x, it's negative 6x. And negative 3 multiplied by positive 1 is negative 3. If you want to check out like the signs, we have a reference over here, and you can use it. So now we're going to do our x's, and then we're going to separate it with our numbers. So we're going to write an equal sign. So 12x minus 6x is 6x, and then negative 8 minus 3 is minus 11, so negative 11. 6x minus 11 over 12. So 6x minus 11 over 12 is our answer for this question. So we have some links in the description from our previous videos, which will help you for this kind of video and these kind of questions and other questions in other videos. So we have like the LCM trick where we found like 3 and 4. We like instantly found that it was 12. And you can use those tricks and you can learn them. And we have cross canceling and a lot more. We'll link them in the description. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Like and share. And that's it. Bye!